Hello, so my name is Elena. I'm working at the company Ventanas SL, and I'd like to present our products. First of all, I'd like to talk about the doors which we fabricate in our company. So our company, we fabricate the doors from the aluminium and from PVC too. So we fabricate the doors from aluminium and from PVC, but we usually offer to our clients to install the doors from PVC because they are more hermetic, they are more warm, and the lock that we have is rather more better than aluminum. So we offer to our clients distinct models of the doors panels. So we have the doors panels without glass, also with crystal and with different designs. So I think that every person can choose the model that they like most of all. So we offer to our clients also the balcony doors. You can choose the balcony doors with the crystal. For most security we offer to install the laminated, the double crystal, so to permit the most security to our clients. And also we put the rather good lock, this 3-point lock which is called Pico d'Oro, so to get more security to the door. So we are proud to tell you that now our company, so we offer to our distributor. Salamander is a company which we are working in PVC profile. So we install the new profile, it is eco profile, so we can put, for example, the eco and natural material in the room. For example, inside we can put the wood, or for example the natural leather, and from the outside part, so we can put the copper or the metal. So nobody as I know, nobody in our town so do these products. So we offer to our clients three main variations of the entrance door. So here we install the door from PVC. So the second one is the metal security door, and the third one is the armed metal door. So it is a very safety door with a high level of the safety. So the first one, frankly speaking, so I'd like to tell that the most of the door that we install is these PVC doors. So because they are rather hermetic, so they are very warm and they are very silent. We offer to our clients different kinds of door panels, so that I think so that every client can choose the door and the panel door which they like most of all. So the most popular is the model with 4 rails, so without crystal, but also we have different models of the doors with crystal and also with these rails, so for decoration. Here on this door, so we install the knob from the outside part and the handle from the inside part. So what about security? On this door we install 3-point lock. The name of the lock is Pico d'Oro, so it is like a form of the peak of the bird, and it permits us so to make the rather good security. Also we recommend to our clients to install here this down part which is called solera, so to make the door more hermetic and to imitate the air coming with the door. So the inches that we have is the inches 3D, and it is possible to open the door on 180 degrees, so to open it totally. Here the wall doesn't permit us to do it and to show it. So we are proud that we are working with the doors of premium class. So it is the company Illusion, and we are very proud to collaborate with them. So every door is made, it is handmade, and so there is a lot of option, and every our client can choose by the option and make the individual order of the door.